with transportation. So we started to focus on transportation. So we started Ola Cash to solve the problem. So people might reach efficiently wherever they can go on time without any problems.
Correct. Excellent. Excellent. Thank you so much. So here, sit down, sit down. So basically, what is the business of an Ola or Uber? Huh? Helping people to move from one place to another place. Can anyone tell me the idea how Uber started initially? Or how Zomato started initially? Okay, imagine there were two families. In family A, there are two people. There is one mother and there is a son. Okay? And what happened one fine day? Mother fell sick. Or in reverse case, son fell sick. So what happened? Mother is unable to go out because she has to take care of her son. And she cannot ask any one of them to do the job or to get the food also because she is also old. Now tell me, if this is a scenario, what is the problem a person is facing? One is lack of access to the food and high dependency on family members. Let's take another example. In family B, there are like couple of 7 members in a family. There is a mother, there is a son, then there are 2 kids, 1 daughter. Like you can imagine like a typical family. What happened if a brother fails it? What happens if mother needs something? What she can do? She can ask her son, but her son is sick now. Then what she can do? She can ask her husband. If not, her daughter. So what happened here? The problem is not much, but in the family A, the scenario where the people are dependent. So Zomato guy thought when there are families where there is a small family or family persons are dependent on each other, and at times of emergencies they cannot access the food. So what he thought, this is a major problem. What is the major problem? One is lack of access to the food, lack of high dependency on family members. If I am addressing this problem, there is a possibility that I can make a successful business out of it. So what did they do? They have also solved one more community problem. What was that? Zomato people. What was that? What was that? After degree and after graduation, like few of them were unemployed. Unemployed youth. Let's say not everyone will be having all the skill sets, irrespective of whatever you do. So sometimes there might be high possibility because of the family constraint, many other things, that youth were also being unemployed. He saw this area also. So what did he try to do? He drew a big picture. He saw 2 problems. One is high dependency on individuals. The other one is lack of access to the food when in emergencies, and also the company